Oh, there it is. What's it doing? Is it getting ready?
Go!
Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Go!
And the handoff to Atlantis' onboard computers. Atlantis now in control of the countdown.
All right. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Are you going to count?
Chain is armed.
Are you going to count?
Water system activated. D-10.
Ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Space shuttle Atlantis. Mission to build, resupply, and to do research on the international.
There it goes! Whoa! Where's it going?
Atlantis now in the proper alignment for its 8.5-minute ride to orbit. 4.5 million pounds of hardware and humans taking aim on the international outpost. 30 seconds into the flight. Atlantis almost 2 miles in altitude.
Where is it?
6 miles down.
Where is it? Where? Oh, there it is. Where's it going? Are they going to work? Where are they going?
55 seconds.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
Whoa, look at it go.
Altitude 9 miles downrange. Atlanta, go with throttle up.
I got it!
Yeah, you did it all right.
Call acknowledged by Commander Charlie Hobaugh, joined on the flight deck by pilot Butch Wilmore, flight engineer Randy Bresnik, and Leland Melvin. Seated down on the mid-deck are Mike Foreman and Bobby.
Oh, what is that?
Fishes?
Is that the spaceship?
Yeah.
Or is it a rocket?
Was it?
Rocket?
Dude.
Where's it gonna go?
To Atlantis'
1,
onboard
2,
computer.
3, 1. Listen!
The countdown.
1, 2, 3, 1. Listen! 1, 2.
20 seconds.
Firing chain is armed.
You ready?
Sound suppression water system.
Here we go. Ready?
D-10.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Blast off! There it goes!
The International Space Station.
Oh, where's it going?
Houston now controlling. Atlantis begins its penultimate journey to shore up the International Space Station.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
You like the countdown, huh? Are you going to be an astronaut?
30 seconds into the flight.
Are you going to be an astronaut and ride on the spaceship?
6 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center already, traveling
You want to be an astronaut and ride on the spaceship?
liquid fuel main performance going into the bucket, reducing the stress on the shuttle as it breaks the
Okay, we'll do it again. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.